We will tell you the 12 financial moves you need to take to become rich. Watch this video till the end because missing out any move could stop you from getting rich. Now let's start. Number 1. Prepare a net worth statement. Understanding your net worth is a valuable tool for assessing your financial standing, providing a clear picture of both your assets and liabilities at any given time. Regularly updating your net worth statement can help you gauge your progress in retirement planning. The federal government provides guidance on how to do it. Wealthy individuals diligently track their net worth to ensure their finances are in order. Number 2. Consider opening a health savings account. Utilizing a health savings account can be a valuable tool in managing medical expenses that may not be covered by your health insurance plan. Contributing pre-tax dollars to an has allows you to withdraw funds for qualified medical expenses. Any unused funds carry over to the next year, unlike with a flexible spending account, FSA. If you want to know more amazing financial tips to get rich, then do subscribe to our channel and also press the like button. Number 3. Develop a budget and adhere to it consistently. Do you feel uncertain about managing your finances? You may be diligently paying your bills on schedule and consistently saving money in a 401k account. However, apart from that, do you find yourself frequently spending and relying on credit cards, hoping that there will be sufficient funds remaining by the end of the month? Gain control over your finances with the help of a household budget. It will assist you in managing your expenses, investments, savings, and spending. We suggest trying out an app, You Need a Budget, a budget app that provides a complimentary 34-day trial. There are various methods available for creating a budget, including using budgeting apps or sticking to the traditional pen and paper approach. However, it is crucial to consistently monitor your income and expenses even after creating a budget. Number 4. Consider exploring additional income opportunities. Discover a side hustle by recognizing your abilities, passions, and the current demand in the market. Consider various options such as freelancing, tutoring over the internet, selling products on the internet, ride-sharing, dog walking, affiliate marketing, or starting a blog or YouTube channel. Consider using platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, or Upcity to connect with potential clients or offer your services. Explore and test different options to discover the perfect match for your schedule and goals. Take into account your interests, abilities, and available assets, and utilize online tools to discover potential prospects that match your capabilities. By applying a strategic approach and thinking outside the box, you have the potential to transform your side hustle into a lucrative endeavor that not only boosts your earnings, but also brings you immense satisfaction. Number 5. Consider consolidating your debt. Consolidating debt can be a smart decision for managing your finances more efficiently. It involves merging multiple debts into a single loan, which often comes with a lower interest rate and a more manageable monthly payment. By adopting this method, you can minimize stress, cut down on interest expenses, and accelerate your debt repayment. Consolidating debt helps you steer clear of missed payments, late fees, and any harm to your credit score. If you want to consolidate your debt, start by making a list of all your debts along with their respective interest rates and payments. Once you have that information, you can consider various options such as personal loans, controlled transfer credit cards, or debt consolidation programs. Select the most suitable option for your circumstances, submit your application, and utilize the funds to settle your debts. Concentrate on making a single monthly payment to effectively address your debt. Number 6. Consider reducing your expenses on car insurance. Have you recently checked to see if you can find a better rate on your vehicle insurance? Shopping can be quite a hassle, no doubt about it. However, there has been a recent shift in the situation. Finding the right car insurance has become much simpler thanks to the Zebra, a convenient insurance comparison site. The Zebra provides immediate, up-to-the-minute comparisons from numerous reputable insurance providers. Number 7. Identify and remove any charges that occur on a regular basis. Adding a new subscription service is a simple process. However, over time it blends into the background, and you only realize months later that you're wasting money on something you rarely use. There is an app called Trim that can help you identify and cancel any subscriptions that you no longer use. Many subscription apps, such as Netflix and OTT platforms, can contribute to an increase in recurring charges, potentially impacting your financial situation. Consider cutting down your Netflix subscription and other subscriptions if you're not utilizing them. Number 8. Consider exploring more affordable options for your internet or cable plan. In today's digital age, with everyone connected online, numerous providers are competing for your business. Being loyal to a company for a long time doesn't mean you're obligated to stick with it forever. It's important to explore different options and discover more favorable offers. Additionally, consider engaging in discussions with your current provider, exploring the possibility of combining services, and establishing automatic payment arrangements. If you take the necessary steps, your company might significantly decrease your bill. Number 9. Consider purchasing life insurance. Considering the well-being of your loved ones, life insurance becomes a crucial consideration, even though it may not be the most enjoyable topic to think about. Especially if you are the main source of income for your household, there is a wide range of products available. Number 10. Consider investing in a smart device. Investing your money is crucial for creating wealth and establishing your financial future. Investing can help you increase your savings over time, reach your long-term financial goals, and build a nest egg for retirement. Investing can be beneficial in helping you stay ahead of inflation, as the value of your money may decrease over time due to inflation. Furthermore, investing has the potential to generate a consistent stream of income and assist in attaining financial autonomy. There are several options available for investing your money, including stocks, real estate, mutual funds, ETFs, or index funds. Consider investing in a well-balanced portfolio that matches your comfort level with risk and long-term financial objectives. For instance, one can consider investing in a combination of low-risk investments such as bonds and high-risk investments like stocks. Another option to explore is investing in a retirement account such as a 401k or IRA, or considering a tax-efficient investment like a Roth IRA. It is crucial to thoroughly investigate and comprehend the fees, risks, and potential returns associated with any investment before making a decision. Number 11. Make sure to maximize your contributions to your 401k retirement account. There's good news for retirement savers this year. The maximum yearly contribution limit is set to increase by $2,000, reaching a total of $22,500. This boost will surely help you grow your retirement funds. If you're over 50, you have the option to set aside an additional $7,500 in catch-up contributions. This allows older workers to boost their accounts according to IRS regulations. Number 12. Build your emergency fund. As we all experienced during the 2019 pandemic, it became clear that having extra funds is crucial for navigating unexpected financial challenges such as job loss, reduced hours, and other financial setbacks. Unexpected events such as job loss, medical emergencies, or car damage can have a significant impact on your life at any given moment. It is crucial to have a rainy day fund in order to stay protected against unexpected events. It would be wise to set aside some money for an emergency fund, which can provide you with a safety net for at least 6 months. To effectively manage your finances, it is important to have a well-defined budget that outlines your monthly expenses. Now do subscribe to our channel and watch the video appearing on the right side to know the habits the millionaires have, which could actually make you rich this year.